JD 26 here. Just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. I just want to let you guys know my wife is back from the hospital. She's doing pretty good. I appreciate all your prayers and good thoughts. And today's model is Robin the Boy Wonder. So we're going to cut that open and look at the instructions. So, get it open here. Box is kind of broken. It's in yellow. The modeling looks pretty straightforward. Let's put this over here. Sorry about that, guys. Here's the instructions from Moebius. They do a pretty good job on modeling. It's got a story to it. And I'm going to do his other guy, Batman, the next time. There's the instructions. You can see the instructions. And we'll put that to the side. Let's cut open one of these. And start assembling. You want to put little parts in a container, which I don't have right now. I misplaced my container. We'll use this box over here. So I'll get the spew cutters out and glasses on. This is the head right here, and there it is right there. And we'll put that over there like that. And got some other parts here. This is the back of the head. And some of these parts we're going to have to look up on the instructions. Put those over there. And just cut them from there. Put it over there. Hope you guys had a good holiday anyway. So I'm going to cut some of these parts off and then I'll start assembling. I want to show you this. They've got two sets of hands, and I don't know. You'll have to look at the instructions to, put the hands on, and two sets of arms. So, just to make you aware of that. I want to show you this. You want to put the two halves together first, and then put the legs on. There's a little nib right there. Okay, that goes right in there. Okay, so it fits in right like that. You just hold it on with the glue. Okay, so we got them all together, and his mask isn't glued on, but we have to paint the eyes underneath. But the arms are difficult. This is the only configuration I can think of for this arm. This one goes on to throw the batarang, and his belt's got to go on. So when you do the arms, just put them together as the instructions say, and put them together like that. And then what I'm going to do is, what I usually do is I take some sculpting cement and I go in and I do all the seams for that. So we're going to paint him next. I still got a few things I got to do on him. And I hope you watched this video and all my other videos in my cooking channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. It was not a detailed account of how to put him together, but it shows you what he looks like. There he is close up. And now we got some glare here. There he is close up with his mask on. So I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching. Rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to see this guy painted. We'll see you next time.